Good morning to you all. It is a Wednesday. It's Hump Day. Nice to see you on what has turned out to be a wet start to our day here. And hopefully you have enjoyed yourself here. Today is National Puppy Day on our Facebook page. We want to know what kind of, show us your puppies there. As you might guess, we've had a lot of pictures brought in and a lot of pictures given to us and posted on our Facebook page. So check it out and see how all the nice little puppies are in your area. Here in the rain, tapping on right above us. If you recall, I've got the heater there, and it's got a metal exhaust pipe that goes up right to the top, and it is covered with more metal. And when the rain hits that metal, it makes a tapping sound, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. Here's a live shot from our physical weather cam. This one on top of our tower, turning it to the south. You can see it's a south wind right now, so it's just pelting that rain right onto the lens and making it kind of hard to see there. But it's definitely raining here. Let's see if we can get a shot that's not quite so covered in water. How about that? The airport here, and we'll see how it looks there. Yep, there you go. You can see some rain showers there. Everything looks wet. A lot of wind. Winds have been fairly gusty right now. And as we head on toward downtown Erie, looking west, we have some pretty good wind, and we have some shower activity here in the city. And the birds, though, still flying, no problems. It doesn't look quite as bad here in downtown Erie. I don't think it's quite reached the downtown area as of yet. Let's go to our storm tracker here. And did I take Cleveland off? I did. Hold on. Let me get Cleveland on here. And we'll save that. So putting it into motion here, you can see again some of that. In fact, it's just kissing there, that yellow there. That's good downpours. It's crossed us here at the station, and so it'll get into downtown Erie momentarily. Might even be there. Let's see. Has it started yet? There. Well, I can see a lens now. The rain's starting to hit the lens, so it's starting to pick up in downtown Erie as well. So back to the map we go here. And as that rain moves on by, you can see, we said yesterday this would probably be waves of rain, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now at the start. We have rain going through the I-79 corridor, break in the action, other lighter, more scattered showers. See a couple lines, a couple of small lines and patches of rain moving up into the Columbus area, between Columbus and Cleveland. So this line will move through in about an hour or so. Maybe hour and a half out of the region. And then we're left with maybe more scattered variety showers for a little while. As we show you the satellite and radar composite here. So here's kind of round one moved through late last night. Air was very dry, so a lot of it didn't reach the ground. Here's round two, maybe the heaviest of the rain this morning as this rather potent front comes in. There are the other little showers kind of forming in between. The big question for today is what will happen in between this first round and the second round that's going through Indianapolis. We do have the potential for some pretty strong storms, mainly in central Ohio. And do I have that severe? I don't. I am badly lacking here on specialty graphics here. On this one here, and I don't know why that is, but in any event, if things clear out right now, there's actually some pretty good cloud cover here. Hard to tell, but there is. And but if some clearing that coming up here out of Kentucky starts moving into the central western parts of Ohio by mid-morning, it's going to interact with this front. Just the time of good heating for the day. We're getting we're in late March here, so we're not talking a summertime sun here. But we have a good inflection point. We sometimes call it the triple point here, where the fronts meet, occluded, cold, warm front. Now the main low is back here, but the secondary upper level low is right around where this triple point is. That causes a lot of shear. And in fact, central Ohio is under a slight risk for severe, along with areas farther south that got getting slammed right now. And some severe weather expected here. Hit Texas 2 days ago. Mississippi, New Orleans getting hit with a nasty tornado yesterday. And today it'll be in the deep south. However, for us, I don't see anything locally, but just off toward the west, Ohio could get into some pretty good heavy storm action as we head on through the afternoon, something that we will watch. In the meantime, our future cast here, you can see some showers, and now they have other bands coming through around midday and into the afternoon. Overall, though, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it's not a lot in the way of hits. And let's spread the picture out, and let's see how things look there in Ohio. You can see they have a little better chance in the afternoon of getting some good storms, and they're scattered. Again, this is not going to be a squall line type of thing. Notice also here in Western Ohio, this band coming into the Toledo area by the evening. So notice that these showers and storms do eventually make its way toward us. By the time the front comes through, though, which appears to be late tonight or even into the early morning hours tomorrow, the cold front will have weakened. So we may get some, occasional hits of a good rumbles of thunder tonight, and maybe some downpours. Not expecting anything heavy or big time here. Now, tomorrow we get into the dry slot. The question is, though, how dry is that dry slot? The Weather Service and even, Tom Atkins, definitely like upper 50s. And I'm okay with that, but I'm kind of worried that we're going to get more clouds than expected. And if we do, we'll lose the heating of that sun, and maybe we won't get quite as mild. But I still think we'll be able to break 50 into the mid 50s, and hopefully get into our forecast of upper 50s. You can see some clouds do come in later in the afternoon, might even set off a few showers. After that, let's move on ahead here into Friday. Some chiller air coming in, and that's going to lead to some scattered showers. You can see some blue here. That means that we are in for the potential for some snow this weekend, and that snow could accumulate later on in the weekend, Sunday into Monday. Hello to you, Whites Racing. Hello, Mike Dorenzo. Good morning as well. Hello, Jen Chamberlain out there in West Springfield. Good morning to you. Bob and Sue out in Jacksonville. Good morning. Hey, Kim out there in Corey. Good morning to you. Al Williams. Good morning as well. Got some light rain there, Gerard. Thank you, Mike. Hey, Celine out by the airport. Good morning to you. Hey, Chatty Cathy out there in Youngsville. 43 degrees out her way for this morning. No rain yet. Yeah, you got a little time, at least an hour, I think, before you start to see the drops. Hey, Becky, 43, dark and windy, just started to rain. Corey, still dry. It's knocking on your door there. However, though, Kim, hello to you. Lori, hey, Lori out there. Lori Santos, weather watcher out of Edinburgh, teacher extraordinaire. 42 degrees, got some nice rain there, a bit of wind. And the streets could use a little washing. The weather will cooperate, I think, for that today, even though the rain will be more in waves. Hello, Thomas, good to see you. Yeah, 5% chance of tornadoes and 2% not toward Cleveland. So that's what we're talking about, that wind shear. The wind shear is what causes the twist. And the Cleveland area, from Cleveland to Columbus and areas south, we'll watch for that. Watch it in case things get kind of interesting here. Tom Atkins is off, so Craig will be watching it this afternoon, and I will as well. We'll see if any of those storms get severe. I don't think so, though. We'll get some good downpours and some good wind. I'm not expecting severe. We'll see how that goes. Donna from Ocala, hello to you. And hello to you. Bill Cox, hello. Yes. Free car wash. Absolutely there. Hello, Jim Edwards. Good morning as well. And welcome to the group here. Hey, Barb out there in Cambridge Springs. Got some rain falling out her way. And Barb's got 40 degrees. So Let's check out the 7-day forecast here, and let's see what we're cooking up for today on this Wednesday, hump day there. You can see there mid-50s Wednesday, chance of showers on Thursday, partly cloudy skies. Going to keep the upper 50s there, and hopefully the clouds won't get too thick. After that, that's it for the mild air for several days. Friday, probably mainly rain, maybe some wet flakes of snow. Not thinking there'll be too much action there, even into Friday night. Maybe a light coating on the ground in some of the snowbound areas, but things should be okay. Probably staying above freezing. For Sunday, though, that's when the beginning of the cold core of air comes in. Winds northwest, the lakes are wide open. Good chance for some lake effect snows. Now, temperatures still in the mid 30s, so we'd have to get some pretty good hits of snow bands on Sunday for anything to accumulate on the roads. We could get maybe an inch or two in the grassy areas and in the snowbelt regions. But I'm not, it's winter, but I'm not too concerned with problems, any serious problems on the roads. Salting them will immediately melt the snow. Sunday night, that's when things get a little nerve-wracking. Temperatures fall below freezing. The snow could stick on the highways, and there's enough moisture left where we could see some accumulations, particularly in the belts, and we could see several inches. I'm not going to commit to numbers right now, but they could be enough where I hope you didn't put your shovel away or your snow blower. It's a northwest flow, so I don't think here in Erie we'll get much. The lake temperature is 38 now, so I'm not bullish on a lot of snow here, even for Sunday night. But boy, in the inland sections, you can get several inches. And yeah, out toward maybe western Warren County, in the Tidioute area, maybe as far east as Pittsfield, you might get some pretty decent amounts of snow. Monday might actually be colder than Sunday, but the air looks a lot drier. So we'll probably get some bands of lake effect snow, but I'm not real big on, I'm not really big on any big time amounts here for Monday, despite the cold air. And then we start to recover on 40s on Tuesday. Looks like it'll be back into the 50s on Wednesday. So we're going to have basically a 4-day stretch of chilly weather, with Sunday and Monday being the coldest of that chill before things rebound nicely into the early part of next week. So, okay, Lloyd got some good rain there. Let's check out. We'll check out Edinburgh, the live shot here out of Edinburgh. See what we got there, and yeah, pretty good. Good steady rain. You can see the winds are moving good, moving the trees around. They're starting to bud. That's always good. But the rain, again, probably going pretty good for the next 20, maybe 30 minutes, and then it'll start to tail off and become more scattered there at Edinburgh and across much of the region, moving into the Warren and Chautauqua County areas also within the hour. So round one should be out everywhere by late morning, and then we'll see how the next round comes in, but it does look more scattered late morning into probably early afternoon, and then maybe that next wave of precipitation comes on in. So there you have it, everyone, on this hump day. Hopefully you stay dry there and let the rain go by there. Let the rain go by as we head on toward the latter part of the morning. Again, Atkins is off for the rest of the week. Tom taking 3 days off. His birthday is Friday, so if you're a Facebook friend of his, may want to wish him a happy birthday. Not today; it's Friday, March 25th. Tom joins the rank of the 60s. Yeah, I'll be joining that in June. So there you have it there, everyone. All right, good to see you all. Again, hello to you, Jim. Yep, hope your wife knows how to plow. Teach him well. And thank you all for joining me today. Stay dry. We'll talk to you again Thursday.